Right, so my friend loaned me these two here, and we're going to do some testing before we use them to do alignment on the radio. So, we're going to see. I'll have to pull out the tiny SA, but I got to get everything set up. We're going to see at what dB level does it start to be able to count. And so this is an interesting piece here because it's got a whole bunch of crazy stuff on it. I think I saw these some years ago, sold by Fry's Electronics, maybe. Instead of power supplying it up to like 30 volts or something, which is actually pretty cool considering, like, everything's all in here. There's actually a multimeter as well. You have a signal generator, a counter, multimeter, and a power supply. It's pretty cool. The Ramsey, I doubt that's going to work. For some reason, actually, I kind of doubt this is going to work too. I think, basically, I think these were a little on the cheaper side of things, but kind of expensive for an all-in-one. The company, Tenma, I don't remember them being really well regarded. I remember something somewhere reading about them, people complaining or something. Anyway, so we're gonna do that here in a little bit once I get everything all set up, and I'll be measuring a few different things, but I just thought I would let you guys know what I'm up to. So I need to get the all the clips and everything. And he was mentioning something about using a jumper. I wonder if you have to jumper these. I have a bunch of them, but he said something about needing to jumper them. I'll have to dig into the manual, but I guess if you wanted to read the frequency generator or the counter, then I guess you would use a jumper or whatever, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, so we'll see what we can do. This also has a frequency counter into it also. I have not actually tested this one. So, but we're going to be using the tiny SA because I can read the dB level of the counter. And then we'll pull the radio out. And we'll see if we can read the master oscillator on it or not. If we can, then it's good enough for radio stuff. If we can't, then it's not. And there it is there. So, we'll catch you guys in a bit.